I've still got 45 seconds. I can totally flank this guy.
There's two others that are probably in another group.
2 pushed up, 1 still at the shack.
Yep. They're going towards the other team.
I see them.
I see them.
I'm just in a bush.
Let them fight.
I'm waiting for this guy at the shack.
I'm in. The guys came out of the shack.
There's still one. There's still one fucking around at the shack.
SKS, I guess a sniper, to the west. I think it's just us and them now.
I see them moving.
What are they shooting?
You gotta get into the circle and crawl. Or at least get near and crawl.
They're right in front of me. I mean, literally right in front of me.
Yeah, but
Oh shit.
That means there's one other person.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, man. I'm like, I don't know where he went.
Wait for them.
Oh, that's 2.
Three there.
There's
Yeah.
3. Yeah, it is just them.
Okay, hold on. No, fuck.
Oh, Drass.
Ah! You have a grenade?
Oh shit, does he see me? I don't think they see me.
I don't think so. They're focused.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
Shoot him.
I'm medding, hold on. Got one.
Nice.
Hold on, I'm using the suppressor. I'm suppressed. Hold up.
Suppressor, bro.
Suppressor too strong.
Dude.
Where is he?
One more.
I see him.
They're both right.
Boom! Chicken fucking dinner.
Lonzo.
Dude.
That's a stupid tactic. That is exactly why people want first person mode right there.
Oh my god, that was stupid. But hey, 618 coins, boys.